arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. Always place a towel under the wiper arm to protect your windshield if you accidentally allow the wiper arm to fall. For installation on a pinch tab arm, the connector you will be using has been pre-installed for convenience. Follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Lift the cover on the connector. To do so, align the blade and connector with the arm. Position the connector into the arm. Close the cover and lock. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Arm gently back on the windshield. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage.